Nursing training questions and answers in Ghana. Hello, you are welcome. In today's video, I'm going to give you some of the nursing training interview questions and how you can answer them. Okay, so this video can help you know some of the nursing interview questions and how you may answer them. Okay, so let's go straight to the point. When you go to nursing interview, there are some of the questions they may ask you, and the way you answer it will make you pass the nursing interview, and then it can make you get admission. Okay, so the the likely question they can ask you is describe your senior high school. Yes, the school you completed. Okay, they can ask you to describe your senior high school. Okay, so this is how you will answer this question. Okay, I attend the senior high school, a well-disciplined school with good academic performance. Okay, so if you answer it like this, okay, the panel will be like, yeah, it's exactly that you completed that school. Okay, and the likely question they can ask you again is, what were you what were your best and worst subjects in SHS and why? Yes, your best subject, the subject you perform good in it, and then the subject you really like. Okay, so this is how I don't know the subject, your best subject. Okay, but I'm giving you an example of it. So this is how you are going to answer it. Okay. Um, my best subject was science because I love biology. My worst subject was elective math. Yes. So as for me, this is how I'm going to answer it. Okay. Science is my best subject. I really like science so much. Okay. And the worst subject is math. You all know that for elective math is very difficult. Okay. So I don't know if it's you, the e-maths will be the best subject for you, or if M, or if the science will be the worst subject for you. Okay. So this is how you answer this search question when they ask you. Okay. And the likely question they can ask you again is, how did you perform in integrated science or biology? Do you see that? The moment you explain it well and said that you really like biology, have you seen that the interviewers have get a question from your answer to ask you again? So for this question, it will be easy for you to answer it. Okay, that's why I always said, don't answer the question straight. Okay, so when the interviewers ask you this, it will be easy for you. Okay, you know what to say. Okay, so this is how you're going to answer this first question. I performed well and got a strong grade due to way interest in the subject. Okay, so this is how you are going to answer it. I performed well and got a strong grade due to my interest in the subject. Okay, so this is how you are going to answer this third question. Okay, if they ask you this question, okay, it's not difficult. Okay, interview is not difficult. How you answer it will make it difficult for you. Okay, if you feel free and talk, the interview will go easy for you. And at the end of the interview, like you pass the interview and then everything, you become easy for you. Okay, so the next question they can ask you again is the next question they can ask you again is what co-curricular activities were involved in at school. Okay, so when they ask you this, it depends on you. Okay, if you are in the activities in school, then you explain it. But if you are not involved in any activity, you can tell them straightforward that in school I didn't involve myself in any activity. Okay, so if you are in M, if you were in activity, this is how you are going to answer it. Okay, I was part of Red Cross and debating club. Yes, so I don't know the actual activity you were in, okay, but I use this as an example. Okay, so this is how you are going to answer it. Okay, if you were in any activity in senior, okay. And the likely question they can ask you again is, can you explain your waiting grade briefly? Can you explain your WASI grade briefly? Yes, okay. So this is how you are going to answer it. I passed well in science, biology, and English, which reflects my readiness for nursing. Okay, so this is how you answer this question. Yes, you are already told them science is your best subject. Okay, so you tell them the subject you get good grades. Okay, yes. So this is how you are going to answer this question when you may ask. And the likely question they can ask you again is, what course did you offer in senior high and why? Yes, what course did you offer in senior high and why? Okay, so um, they want to know why you choose that particular course. Yes, so this is how you are going to answer it. I offer general science because I want to pursue a career in health. Yes. So when you tell them the course you did in senior high, then you tell them the reason why you choose that particular course. Okay. And the likely question they can ask you again is, did you face any challenge in school and how did you overcome them? Yes. In school, we all know in senior high school, there are some challenges you may face. Yes. So for this one, I'm not going to answer it for you. Okay. I will leave it for you to answer it yourself. Yes. Because I don't know your challenges you face in senior high school. For that one, I'll leave it for you. Answer it on comment down below. Okay. And the next question they can ask you again is, mention three ministers in Ghana and their position. Yes, in I have said this several times. For the ministers, it's likely they can ask you to make sure to know about three or four ministers' names in your head. As I always said, yes, is a likely question they can ask you. Okay, so for this one also, I will leave it for you. Research about it and then let me know some of the and ministers' names in Ghana, their names. Let me know on comment down below. Okay. And likely question they can ask you again is, who is current Minister of Health? Who is current Minister of Health? So who is the current Minister of Health? His name is Pavana Nita Akando. Yes, he is the current Minister of Health. Okay. And the likely question they can ask you again is, what is the full meaning of CHPS? I hope for this one, no one will know it. What is the meaning of MCHPS? Okay, so the full meaning of CHPS is community community health planning and services. Community health planning and services. Yes, so these are some of the likely questions they can ask you when you go to nursing training interview. Okay, so get prepared yourself and start learning something small as you have applied for the school of your choice and you are waiting for them to call you. Start learning something about the nursing interview and how you answer those questions. Okay. So thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Here is Nursing Mirror channel. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Subscribe for more videos. Bye.